going on, guys? Out here today doing a little fishing out on this public land lake. Got the GoPro. Gonna try and get some good footage for you guys. Matt and I were at the same spot last week and we absolutely hammered it. So I don't know if you can see this big log right here. Just walk out on that. I mean, they're literally tuckered right underneath there. Bunch of other debris piles right off the log. So figure I'll give this spot a try first thing. If not, we'll move around. It's only about 3 o'clock right now, so Fish app says they should be hitting from now all the way up till about 7 for the black crappie anyways. I'm not sure if I'll keep any. I'm not a big fish eater. I just like catching them, but I don't know. It might be worth keeping a couple and taking them home and frying them up, seeing if they're any good. I've heard crappie's really good, so. But got my minnows out here on the log, so we're gonna get to it. See what we can catch. Stay tuned. How did I know? There'll be a crappie held up in here somewhere. Oh, it's playing the bluegill. Alright guys, well I moved spots. Actually, I just moved up the road here a little bit to that spot last year where I was slamming them. I've been here 10 minutes. Just caught a 12-inch crappie, black crappie. So hopefully they're schooled up right here. It's a lot calmer in this spot, a little more protected. So I'm going to throw this line in there. Hopefully we can snag one here. Got another one. Simmer down. Not a 12-incher. Just a little white crappie. That joker took my bait too. That's two. What I'm doing is with this wind and this current, it's basically just casting out and then just letting it drift up into the bank a little bit. It's shaded on this side, so if you ever fish crappie, you know how they love that shade and the cover. So I literally caught him 5 feet off the bank here, so we'll see if we can find his dad. Got another one finally. It's a good one too. Gotta keep an eye on that other bobber. It's a little slow, but I'll take those. Got another one, finally. Pretty sure it's the same white crappie I caught a little while ago. Wouldn't be surprised. Bite has slowed down big time. Let's try this again. Whew, he swallowed that bad boy. Another nice 7-incher probably. Hopefully he'll make it. He swallowed it too. Not as bad though. That's doable. There we go. Another decent one. Boop, boop. That's a nice one. Get another bite. Two for two. Well, that was rude. A nice little black one. Oh my word. That thing is huge. Holy moly. Dude, my pliers won't even freaking fit down there to get the hook. That's Fish Ohio for sure. Come on. Crap. Oh my word. Let's get a measurement on this bad boy. Right at 14. That's another fish, Ohio. Right at 14 inches, man. He annihilated that bait. Another white bass, or white crappie. No fish, Ohio, but and my other one's going. Freaking missed that one. This guy was just dinking with it. Another nice black crappie. Love catching these guys. Probably call it a night on that one. Even though he didn't take my bait. It's getting late, getting hungry. But had a pretty good day out here. Hope you guys liked the video. If you do, hit the like button, hit the subscribe. And turkey season's over this weekend, so it's all fishing from here and then getting ready for deer. So catch you guys on the next one. Boom.